What's up, everyone? I just recently picked up a few more birds. I believe I picked up 7 birds. They consist of second and third generation of ruby birds and Turner birds. Pretty much what I mean by that is that they're not birds that are directly from James Turner or Tony, but they are directly from birds that were bred by them and weren't mixed with any other lines. So I just consider them the second and third generations of those birds. There's believe a national fly coming up in a few weeks here in September, and I think they have a 11 bird fly, which I don't know if I even come close to having my birds ready or not, but I just picked up these birds to try to get a quick kit of 11 birds together to see if I can even try to fly for that event. So I think officially right now I have 7 birds that are willing to kit, fly and perform in the air. I may have a 8th one. I'm not 100% sure yet because she isn't super healthy, but she is starting to kit and starting to roll. So I'm hoping that I could get her ready. I do got a few birds that may be old enough to fly. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to home them that fast, but I got this hen right here. This hen is a bird that's off of Turner stuff, so I'm gonna debate if I'm gonna let her, or at least try to home her and try to fly her. And I got this other guy back here. This guy's a Turner too. It's done check. It's a few years old. The guy I got it from, he said he hasn't, or I think he's flown him maybe a couple times, but it was mainly kept for a stock bird just because it had a little more color to it. But I think this bird is totally capable of performing if I could get it to home properly and not fly away. So my goal pretty much right now is to try to get a kit of 11 birds together in the next 2 weeks to have my good friend John Johnson come out and judge them in the air to see what he thinks and to see if they're even worth entering in the 11 bird national fly. So thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe if you have any comments or suggestions. Go ahead and hit them up in the comments. Thanks, and I'll check you guys out next time.